All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of our break number 10, our full-size helmet. This is the roll-off between Adam with the Browns and Jacob with the Rams. So we'll check the time, May 24th at 7:59 p.m. We're going to go over to we'll call it the roll-off here and say live, May 24th, 7:59 p.m. There is our two winners, Adam and Jake. I'm just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That'll work 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Adam. Spot 6 is, or spot 1, whatever. Adam, you are our winner. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 24th, 8 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks for playing.